Om Namah Shivaya. Here it was an extremely very powerful, extremely very unique miracle. ShivaParvathi conch in conch. ShivaParvathi conch in conch and edampuri conch inside valampuri conch. So here you can see the main conch is edampuri conch, and here top you can see one valampuri conch. You can see here one valampuri conch. All Dakshinavati conch are right upward conch. You can see here this is a valampuri conch, edampuri conch, and inside you can see the valampuri conch, the top of the conch. Extremely unbelievable formation. So it is called as ShivaParvathi conch, and you can see two lines intersected. See one to two lines are intersected. So shows that two conches are formed intersecting each other. One edampuri and one valampuri intersecting form each other. Extremely rarest formation in the conch history. And when I turn here, you can see like a face of Lord Hanumanji. You can see the clear face of Lord Hanumanji. You can see eyes, nose, mouth, and hair clear like a Hanumanji. Extremely miracle, unbelievable collection. Only one piece in the world, never again in the lifetime like this conch again. Beautiful, unbelievable formation. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.